Today I'm going to show you how to grow some of the most popular vegetables that you can be planting after your last frost day. First up is beetroot. Now this is multi-sown, which means that there's multiple seeds in each module, and this means that you can really maximise the amount of plants you can get in one space. This works really well with beetroot and leeks. You'll want to plant your beetroot about 15 centimetres apart, and the idea with the multi-sown is that you harvest the biggest one first and then you leave the rest of the plants to fatten up. You can also direct sow beetroot for a continuous harvest throughout the summer months, so I'll show you how to do that now. It's really easy to do by just digging a small trench about 1 centimetre deep and popping a few seeds in. Beetroot can be grown in any situation, however it's perfect for shady areas. Make sure you water your plants well throughout the summer months. I always want to encourage pollinators onto my allotment, so I'm going to be planting these cosmos, which the bees absolutely love. Cosmos do get quite tall and top heavy, so I'm going to be using these plant support rings to help them. These are my courgette plants that I've grown from seed, and this is a really great vegetable to grow because it's really versatile in cooking and it also gives you tons of fruits per plant. First of all, I'm going to dig a hole that is double the size of my pot, and that's going to allow me plenty of room to add manure into the soil, as courgettes and squashes are really hungry plants. I've used well-rotted horse manure here that I got from a local stables, but if you can't get a hold of that, you can always use blood fish and bone or something like a chicken manure. Sweet corn are one of my most favourite things to grow because they are super sweet, especially when picked fresh from the plant. And today I'm going to be planting them with my bulb planter that I'm repurposing slightly, and that is because sweet corn like to be planted really deep. Sweet corn are always best planted close together and in a grid formation like this, and the reason being is that they are pollinated by the wind. So when the wind travels through the crop, it will pollinate each of the cobs down below. There you go, all you need to do is get down your local garden centre and get yourself some seeds or plants and give it a go, because I promise you it is not that hard to grow your own fruit and vegetables. For more tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.